Hello guys, in this video we are going to set up and connect your Dreamhost email to Gmail. So it's really simple. So first you'll have to change your POP settings in your other account. So this can be Yahoo, iCloud, or another email provider. So if you're using another Gmail account, simply you go here to your settings, you tap your profile in the settings right here, see all settings, and then forwarding and POP and IMAP, and then you select enable pop for all mail and then keep Gmail's copy in the inbox, and then you save the changes for that. So when adding another email account, you go ahead and go to your settings again, see all settings, and then from there you locate accounts and import, add another email, and then you enter the email address from your own Dreamhost, and then there you go. Press next, import emails from another account, and then here you place in the details, everything and anything that can be there. You place the password right there also, and then from there the pop server, the port, and always use a secure SSL, and then add the account. From there, it's going to be added into your own email, and then it will basically just come. So you can also transfer old email accounts from there on your computer. You go to Gmail, see all settings, account and import them into the screen steps, and then you can click import. And there you go. So that is how you connect your Dreamhost email to Gmail, and it's that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.